The Indian Air Force in its inquiry has found more than one official guilty in the case of the accidental firing of an armed supersonic missile into Pakistan territory, sources said, adding that severe action would be taken against the persons found guilty. The inquiry is being conducted by Air Vice Marshal R.K. Sinha, who is probing how the missile got fired during routine maintenance work. An unarmed supersonic missile accidentally took off from Sirsa and landed at a place 124 km within Pakistani territory on March 9th evening. The Indian Defence Ministry had regretfully explained it as a technical malfunction. The ministry had said that on March 9th, in the course of routine maintenance, a technical malfunction led to the accidental firing of a missile. The Indian government has taken a serious view and ordered a high-level court of inquiry. It is learned that the missile landed in an area of Pakistan. While the incident is deeply regrettable, it is also a matter of relief that there has been no loss of life due to the accident, said the ministry. The Pakistan Foreign Ministry had warned New Delhi of unpleasant consequences over what it claims was an Indian-originated but unidentified high-altitude supersonic object that crashed in its territory. It had urged India to take effective measures to avoid such violations in the future. Pakistan claimed a supersonic missile took off from Sirsa and landed within Pakistani territory. Cruising at an altitude of 40,000 feet, the missile endangered passenger flights in both India and Pakistani Air Force and also civilians and property on the ground, it said. Pakistan had stated that at 6:43 p.m. on March 9th, a high-speed flying object was picked up inside Indian flying territory by Air Force Operations Center of the Pakistani Air Force. From its initial course, the object suddenly maneuvered towards Pakistani territory and violated Pakistan's airspace, ultimately falling near Mia Channu. When it fell, it damaged some civilian property. However, there was no loss or injury to human life was caused. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.